Tréis 1970, tugad faoin era go raibh cumann lúthchleas scéal ábalta slúite móra a bhealach go dtí parc an chróchaí. Go haban, thosnaigh poblachtánaigh aitheanta ag freastalir agus ag ghlacha páirte a gluthí. Sé an pictiúr seo de Michael Collins, Éamon de Valera agus Arthur Griffith ag cluiche canis amána 1990 an taon cheann neamhair an Malta den drúracha atá ann.
The British authorities' attitudes to the GAA is quite complex. Clearly a Gaelic athletic event, be it athletics, be it hurling, be it football, would worry the British simply because there's large numbers of people in one place. And also the way that sort of certain GAA gatherings, maybe not explicitly in themselves, but they are also forums for organisations, be they political, be they secret, to kind of organise and try and recruit people. So I think the British issue with the GAA would be much more about public order at the first level. At the second level, they do clearly see the GAA as one of many nationalist organisations where they are keeping an eye on it, not for itself and its own kind of set of values, but more for the kinds of people who are being attracted to the GAA.
Bhí imní na núdráis faoin goman a gairí sa léir mí úil 1980 nar a chuidir cadúnas a bheim de chluí. Dúilteach an cumann na cadúnas a lorug agus dagrar siad agóid imirthe bhilteach. An gearú lúnasa, dimríoh 2,000 cluiche ag an aimdíad céanna, i ngach cúnta sa tír le 4,000 imreoir i ghlacha páirt. Níor chur éinge isteachartha agus fuair ceist na gadúnas bás. Baisteach Gaelic Sunday ar a lá seo. Tréis na hagóide ba cheart gomach áras ann go níoch fórsaí na Breataine ar amach do chuid an chumann. Ag tarachar bhí na saona 1920, bhí miadú ar a bhóréigean ag teacht ó chustáin áth lia. Dóg mala, baile brigín agus baile á trim. An son a bhuisceach léhananta lá chéide, fuair treilech Maxine bás ar stalc acris agus chuig Kevin Barry chun báis. Béidir nach raibh ánach ceist ama go níl faoi ar chumann lúthchleas Gael.
We were facing the railway walls when the machine guns, rifles and revolvers opened fire, and they whistled and bounced off the railway wall. And the next thing was, at least people were falling down the embankment. Some dead, some wounded.
Some of the players laid down and took cover as best they could, and others made a break for it.
Michael Hogan, at least, 2 Dublin players were on the right here, and they got up, and when the fire and sea, they made a dive to get across here out of Clonleaf. And then Hogan was the next got up. And just as he was just standing when he got struck, and he fell forward. And
I think, Tommy, you were nearest to him, weren't you?
I was, yes.
So bhí seanna háchtach I mit ó líocht fé mar der fá a cumann lúthchleas Gael. Gur silag fuil ní héamháin in imróirí a dhéanam nás Michael Hogan ach gná ghuine a bhí a freastlar an le. Gur raibh fórsaí na crónach gur láchad agus gur bharíadar na gná ghuine a bhí a freastlar an le. Tá sé lán de symbolism ar lí, lán den Viticar sin. Agus festa fód néfa a bhí I barc an cróchaigh. Talamh néfa, talamh a bhí cosracha ag fuil leantóir na dé.
Ba faointe cinúnach dánach na fola. Mariach 4 sí bhéalach ag an glutha sin. Tréis an ionsaí, chail fórsaí na Breataine takeíocht cuidmhaith dá bobal féin. Bé seo tús le deile rial na Breataine. Thug Michael Collins ahasc ribh cluiche ceannis lion a grá. Were it not for the GAA when it stood for Ireland, England in her Great War would have annexed much of her finest bone and muscle that was saved for Ireland.